So in this video, let us solve a problem based on probability, and we've got a problem here which reads like this. It has to do with the dice. So there are two dice, one blue and one gray. They're thrown at the same time. Write down all the possible outcomes. What is the probability that the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the dice? That is, when you put the dice, you should get two numbers. It can be either 1 and 2 and 2 and 4 or 2 and 6, whatever that is. Now, what is the probability that the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 8, 13, and less than or equal to 12? So now let's get to work on this. So now the first question is, they say write all the possible outcomes. So let's draw a table kind, something like this, right? So, well, now one is blue dice, right? So let this be the blue dice. And then we've got a gray dice. So here we've got a blue die and here we've got a gray dice. So now let's see. Of course, there are numbers on it. Say for example, so these are the dice, okay? Now what are the possibilities? What are the total outcomes? The total number of outcomes is going to be like this. 1, 1, right? Now from the blue, it's going to be 1 always. With the gray, it can be 3 and so on. 1, 4, 1, 5 and 1, 6, right? So now, so that's how, just keep going on writing it and you get all the possible outcomes. So now here we've got all the outcomes. So the total number of outcomes is going to be 6 times 6. So that's going to be 36 outcomes. These are the total number of outcomes. What is the probability of us getting an 8? Or what are the favorable outcomes, first of all, relating to 8? Is going to be how much? So 1 plus 1 is not going to give you 8. So let's search 2 plus, no. So when you search, you're going to get 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Again, 5 plus 3 is 8. Again, 6 plus 2 is 8. So here we are. So we get so much, right? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total number of favorable outcomes for us to get 8 is 5. Nothing else, you can check it. So it's 5, right? So what is the probability of getting an 8? It's going to be 5 on 36. So the probability that the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 8 is 5 on 36. 5 by 36. 5 on 36. And then this is the first one. Now what about the second one? The probability of us getting a 13 is definitely going to be 0 because the maximum that a dice can give you is 6 and 6. And 6 and 6 is 12, not 13. Right? So you're not going to get even 1. So it's 0 by 36, which is a 0. So the probability of that you getting, the sum of the numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 13 is definitely 0. And then the final one, probability of less than or equal to 12. That is the third one. Is going to be everything because, everything is going to be less than 12, right? 1 plus 4 is 5, which is less than 12. 6 plus 5 is 11, which is less than 12. Only 6 plus 6 equal to 12. So each and every outcome is a favorable outcome as long as this is concerned. So we get a perfect 1. The probability of this happening is a perfect 1. So this is a sure shot. That's what it means. So that's this problem. A very simple problem. All you just have to know is the knack of writing all the possible outcomes in a structured way. That's what it is important. So this ends this problem as well as this video. So I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more concepts.